Okay, sure. radiodr.co.za.
Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbula. Boye kaya lezo nyembe zinzosula maputsa ngwenzile zenzenze kuqule. Yeah, when you zizwa zonke phelele iqoka malamba bageke yazokusinvele ngeke bakumele. I did you wrong love ngicela ngixolele. Yeah, humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. I had something good and I messed it up. Now my whole world is just fucked up. Now I'm sitting lonely and I'm reminiscing when I had a man shit I was booed up. Now I'm screwed up, all because of cloud. Must the people who won't even reach out. Now a good thing is gone and I'm singing the song. Until last time that's me booyaka. Yeah, humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumboy. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbola. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbola. I cannot express my boundless gratitude for having you. Just loving you ain't easy, I admit that, but I love you, bro. You're so exposed to plenty. I keep tossing and turn when you're traveling city to city. I'm guessing time to more than yelling tandem guy. You when I bet was Sandro Centrizio, Salas Gamata no lip. No Magunzi Magui humble and jack. You live in your dream, but super millet. I'll stay by you to the end of the road. Just through it up, so big as that. So big as that, like yeah. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope was on kumbula. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope was on kumbula. After the beep, record your message. Hi, it's me again. I won't stop calling until you return my calls. Ngiyacela sithando sami, buya ekhaya, buya ekhaya. Sithando sami, buya ekhaya, buya ekhaya. Sithando sami, buya ekhaya, buya ekhaya. Sithando sami, buya ekhaya, sithando sami, buya ekhaya.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live again on radiodr.co.za. Reporting live again is your boy J, holding it down during the quarantine, city to city, city to city. It's still Faku Ramaphosa, and we still high. Shout out to Bonko Mesha, and we appreciate it. I've got one of the most hustling motherfuckers I know on earth, your girl Lumkah, and she's still shitting on you bitches.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl, Lumkah Fabulas. It's Linda McGibbulin. It is your girl, Izulu Bass Queen, Lalela.
Bro,
You report live, Ngakini.
One thing I love about you, bro, hey, you take the visuals so seriously.
Yeah, I have to.
You remind me of like Rhea.
I have to do that shit because I'm a storyteller. You know, I'm a storyteller and I'm here to tell stories, and I want people to see the vision. So they can only see the vision through visuals.
And you do the visuals so well, I thought you were like an R&B singer.
You're like, "Uculani ugel, uyacula." No.
One of my
No.
niggas who AK correct me. He's like, yo, dog, I think he was supposed to come to the studio. I was like, yo, dog, Figu Lumkah, do you know her? It's like, Lumkah. Give me nail, Lumkah. The girl, the rap, give me the rapper. No, dog, I think she's a singer. No, dog, she's a rapper. You know what the fuck? And I was like, bruh, your visuals, hey.
Kumnandi ukudidisa abantu, yabo.
Like the shit you did for it, Dirty Mojito.
Dirty Mojito, yeah, that is on hold, bruh. That is on hold. Dirty Mojito is on hold because it's my debut EP. Yabo, so kwafika i-lockdown, yavele yamosha yonke into.
Lockdown is such a bitch.
Lockdown yafika yakhahlela wonke ama-dreams, wonke ama-possibilities, because obviously I had to go back home. But I was like, yazin, I'm gonna put it on hold, but when I drop that shit, I want it to be proper shit.
The game changed now, bro.
Yeah, she did
Now it's very online to a point where you have two choices. It's either you can do the live performances and post them on YouTube for free, or you can partner up with Zoom and people can pay to get a link, or you can get a sponsor. You know what I mean? You have the pleasure of having that Views 25 Connect. You could probably set something up.
Something is already set.
And pre-recorded and pictured or do it live. And if something is already set,
something is already set. Something is coming up, guys. Something is coming up. Dirty Mojito is coming. And angisasho ukuthi soon, man. Just saying it's really soon. So watch out for that shit. Ibuya is out. I'm pushing that for the momentum for now. I hope everybody is getting that shit. It's on all digital platforms. So ngicela sithole ibuya, listen to the storyline. Ikhuluma ngobhubhe iwamo. Mfethu ngamenzela udoti wethu, but ke.
And the visuals are so on some Zulu Nicki Minaj shit.
Lalela, is Zulu bass queen in the motherfucking scene.
Yeah, bro. Like you're really killing them with that shit. Man, you're like, what's going on with all these singles? Like, pagan, what's going on?
Okay, Ibuya is gonna be the last single before I drop the actual EP. Dirty Mojito, it's got 7 tracks. Worked with a couple of niggas there, King Nexo. I worked with the LCM.
Like you talking about producers?
No, I'm talking about King Nexo is an artist, but he also produces.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
cool. Yeah.
I'm talking about I'm an artist features on the project. Well, LCM is one of them, and then I'm gonna put this Yabangena on this EP because it's not on all digital platforms.
Yeah.
That's featuring Upriz.
Shout out to Breezy.
Shout out to my nigga Izolo Bass King in the motherfucking scene.
That's another hustling motherfucker. Ngakini. Shout out to Breezy.
That's my big bro. That's my big bro.
Last time I saw him, we were at T-Bag's place doing the Cultured Sunday.
Yeah.
But yes, anyway, continue. Back to you.
Yeah, back to me. So yeah, Booyah is. I'm getting quite a great response. People are loving the song, and I'm glad that people are loving the song. I'm just
pushed it perfectly.
I'm just trying to stick to my culture. To the culture,
which is good,
which is my culture.
That's how you blow up.
You know what I mean? So I don't want to be anybody else. I'm just me. Lumkah, ngirepela ngezulu, okay? Ngisijijeleke because isingisi. I want other people to also be able to relate. Kodwa, keeping it in the culture in terms of my outfits, in terms of the way I present myself.
And that's how you get those international.
You know
gigs,
what I mean?
That's what they're looking for. They're not really looking for like people trying to sound American. They're looking for the authentic shit. But no moonchild, you guys know show my shows.
You know what I mean?
They're killing it.
I love the one of the people that you mentioned now.
Even Breezy, why no Breezy?
Abantu bamenshilile man, just Java as well. Like those are the people that are doing their own shit. They're not.
Java's indie now. All that money's gonna come to him, man. All that money's gonna come to him, man.
Java went indie, bro, and I was so happy, and I'm just like, yeah, he's pushing the culture. Zagwe is doing amazing things as well. So it's all those people that I look up to, and I can see there's not actually like a female who's in that vibe. Yo Zagwe, in that vibe, yo's Java.
Yeah,
so
true.
I want to be that first female to come out like that and be like, okay, nangu usirepela ngezulu, ufika nogidla wakhe, ufika nesitholo sakhe stage, ushayela amathambo usufuna ukushaya amathambo to tell a story,
Like,
whatever it
your
is.
showmanship.
Yeah, so yeah.
It's international quality, bro. Yes, continue. Who else have you worked with? Continue. Yeah.
And then the person that's actually producing the whole thing is Slim Ego. Slim Ego is my exec producer. Shout out to you, my nigga. Thank you for putting up with me.
Oh, okay. Slim Ego.
Slim Ego is from Imlaz. He's he's from the South Coast, Mgababa, but uhlala la Imlaz. What is the section? Some question. What is this section? Is it M? No. Somewhere mudlule, it's like a ngehla ebusha mangiyakhona. Mangiyakuyena ngehla ebusha. Ngakavi. Yeah.
Max.
Uyadlula ka Max and then just like a few minutes after the yard. A few minutes after that. He's pulling up. He's putting up with me. You know, I'm like Slim. Let's put in the work because now he's got his own stuff going on.
Yeah.
So he's also an artist and we release a EP now. Just released them. Oh, it's a mixtape. He released a mixtape now. So I push it. So all those people are people that have been, you know, backing me up with the. I'm not by myself, guys. I don't have a team. I've got one lady who's a digital strategist for me.
But you do have people who recognize what the fuck is going on.
She's also my manager, so I'm not a team. It's just me and her, and then my niggas. But yeah, pull me project.
No, but you've got the right experts with regards to the hustling. But I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, you live in a kind of about visuals, because when you do the visuals, that's how a brand sees where they can put the money at.
Yeah, Stingaman. We need the moolah. You know, you can't just have one source of.
And you've got that visa at 25 connects like a motherfucker, guys.
It's okay.
You've got that visa at 25 connects like a motherfucker, guys. It's lovely. It's a digital event in Yana, man. Hey, yo, people at Views. Let your girl do her thing, man. Come on, man. But you're hustling, bro. Like, when are you thinking of dropping it?
I want to drop it in August because it's Women's Month.
You smart.
That's where I want to capitalize on. I want to be like K-Sharp, Senzan for Women's Month. Everybody's coming with their own concepts and then I come with mine.
That's genius, Fez.
So,
you just got that exclusive first reporting live. Ngakini Supoyum Che, holding it down. Shout out to CeeLo Radio DR.
What's up, CEO? CEO CeeLo.
But like, what I want to know is, who do you work with visually? Like, who do you come up with these ideas with?
Okay, so what I do is, there's a guy who does a videography, Siyabonga Nyoka.
Siyabonga
Nyoka, yeah. He works for Ignition Group.
Yeah, Ignition Marketing, man.
So he shoots for all those things.
Oh, like adverts and stuff.
Yes. So, I saw him on Instagram. I hit him up. I'm like, dude, if I want to do a promo video, how much would it be? Because I wanted to do a promo video for Intozakdala.
Yeah.
Intozakdala was my first single that dropped this year. It's on a piano track. Slim decided to just play around with my piano and he got the beats. He was like, jump on the beats, it's Lumkah. And I'm like, bring the beats, nigga, let's do it.
Genius.
Got my dancers.
Genius. Your showmanship is off the hook, bruh.
Okay, the storyline of Intozakdala was about EX. It was about the ex. So in the beginning of the promo video, you will see it's me and the ex fighting, and then I
I miss you. Bring back my lost love.
Yeah. That was Intozakdala. And then and then I really loved his work, you know. I was like, fuck, his work is amazing. And then I was like, okay, so let's shoot another video for my second single. He pulled through, he did the things. My motherfucking official music video, guys. It's coming out. End of July. I'm gonna drop the official music video. You will see the visuals, you will see the expression, the motion that was there for my ex-boyfriend that left me, but
you killing them, man. So you killing them, man. Yeah. You killing them, man. Oh my, man. It's so dope, bro.
I can't wait. The promo video is dropping tomorrow.
Drop the promo video. Follow the girl at Lumkah Fabulas on Instagram. Follow the girl. See the visuals. See the storyboard. See the storyline.
Right now,
Let's just vibe with it.
yeah, if it's right now in Durban, I feel like it's you, Yashna, and Rhea.
Yashna is doing the motherfucking things, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yo.
Y'all
She's
three
doing
are
the
just
things.
fucking up the game.
Yo. Damn.
All is fucking up the game, guys. And it's no composition, it's all love. It's all doing your thing. Come on, dungeon.
It's all love. It's all love. Yashna and I get along quite well.
Oh,
yeah. She's a great girl. She's an amazing girl. We DM each other once in a while just to check up on each other. I hope she's good. I know she's doing good. I know you're doing great, baby girl. I see you.
Shout out to your girl, Yashna. How am I? We need to get them videos on Channel
Yeah,
bro. We need
definitely.
to get them videos out.
That's gonna happen.
Yashna's cracking the whip on these bitches. Oh my, she's cracking the whip on these bitches. Fine. So, like, what's going on, bro? Like, are you independent? Are you signed? You're more Lumkah Fabulous Records? Lumkah Fabulous Productions? You see, what's going on?
It's called Fabulous Funhouse.
Fabulous Funhouse.
It's called Fabulous Funhouse, and then there's a baby under Fabulous Funhouse does event styling and catering.
That's where the guap at.
Yeah.
That's where the moolah at.
So that's where like the entertainment part of it goes to basically just doing events. You know, just small intimate events, whether it's your birthday, your baby shower, whatever the situation is.
Get that moolah.
Yeah, ngiyathanda decorate. I don't know why.
No, but like now that you just said that, we can tell. Like
Yeah.
judging by your Insta and your visuals.
Yeah,
and your
ngiyathanda nje ukuthi izinto zibe
presentation.
zinhle. Like I like
Yes.
making things looking pretty.
Keep it up,
Yeah.
bruh.
So
Keep it up,
so that's
yes.
what Fabulous Funhouse does, and then there's a baby.
Yes.
So yeah, and then there's a baby ngaphansi where Fabulous Funhouse. It's called 0 to 100. Now this is where I do brand development for artists. So not only do I want to see myself succeed, but I also want I'm an artist I want to help I'm artists as well. Up and coming artists. Just give them a platform, just empower them and teach them more about the music of the business. So that's where I look at your brand, I evaluate you, I say, okay, this is what you need. You need a photo shoot. You don't have an EPK. We will build you an EPK.
Okay, hold up. What's an EPK?
An EPK is an electronic press kit. So this explains about the artist as a whole.
Meaning, if you're sending, let's say, a song to radio, you attach your EPK
Yes.
with the single.
So that they know, who is Lumkah? What has she done? You know, this is basically a something that it's a stamp that explains you to people that you want to have connections with.
Quickly.
Most of the artists do not know and understand that. So that EPK cannot be tacky. It needs professional
It needs
photos.
to be you.
Yes.
At the same time, it needs to be dope enough where a potential brand can see where they can put money in.
Exactly. So that's where I come in. I help.
Like, for example, for you, if I was your brand manager, I'd be like, okay, fine, let's get this girl connected with like Revlon or L'Oreal or like a makeup motherfucker quickly. That's that shit. Elbow, yeah, for example. I feel like that's what a brand manager does, Jay.
So, yes,
In a
it
civil
speaks
setting.
to the brand. It speaks to the brand. So that is what 0 to 100 does. We have packages that we are selling that you can choose from, and then you can tell me, it's okay, Lumkah, this is what I want. This is what I want. So that I do that for artists as well, and then. That's where my show, the Boom Boom Room, that's where it came from. Giving the platform to other artists. Now I don't just do stuff for them, but I also give them a platform to play their music, to talk to them, find out what they're about.
If your song plays on a podcast, it counts as a stream.
Yeah, so that's
Alright.
dope. And most of the big radio stations don't really have segments of playing up and coming artists. It's only
true
commercial
that.
music.
True that.
You know, so we can only capitalize on playing up and coming artists on podcasts because they don't get played in
Yes.
big radio stations.
Yes.
You know.
True that. And the
So-
podcast has the pleasure of assisting a cool leg.
You know what I mean? So it's not like it's not the olden days where
Yeah,
you need
radio's
to
very stiff.
go do an interview now.
Oh boy, say the radio stations aren't even foresighted enough to actually make sure that there's a camera crew present.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Because like internationally, bro, every single show if it's in a camera crew, get recording, you get them on YouTube.
That is why you can see them on YouTube.
Even the hosts become celebrities now. Do you know what I mean? Get add the brand equity. Oh no, there's like a visuals every week on YouTube, or every time there's episode there's visuals. And in South Africa, we don't do that. The only person doing that is I think who popped my band on KFM, and that's where Skumba blew up, right?
Yes.
Which was genius for Skumba. I don't know who came up with that, whether it was Skumba or Ipo who popped my band, but
that was dope.
That's an example of the potential of doing that. So yeah. That's what I get about visual. It's saying iPhone yesterday. Saying iPhone yesterday. Completely. So like Lumkah, so where can the people find you like on them socials? Like where can they get you on Instagram?
Ngikhona mafethu ku social media nje ngikhona. I'm on Instagram at Lumkah Fabulas, LUMKAH Fabulous with Zulu FABULAS.
Yeah, Fabulous. What's
Fabulous? What's the luxury?
Where are you from, by the way?
From Vryheid.
Vryheid.
Efilidi.
Oh, yeah, man. Talk that shit. Yeah, man. Shout out to. Shout out to Uncle my bad I say Vryheid. I'ma come through again. I'ma come through, I'ma show up. We gon' bow. Where else can they find you? Like Facebook, YouTube, like
go Facebook, same Lumkah Fabulous. Nagu Twitter at Lumkah_Fabulous.
YouTube,
Gukona channel. It's also Lumkah Fabulous. You'll see all my videos there, performing with the band.
you got a live performance with the band?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit! What's up?
Yeah,
that's so dope, bro.
But it was covers. I was just doing covers.
But that's still dope.
Yeah, so I was doing covers in my Zulu attire and the band behind me.
It's chilly views the this style. How much it's style and with the live motherfucking band and shit. Okay, yeah. Reporting live in Ngakini support. Shout out to Radio DR. Shout out to T Blue, the DBN. Shout out to the CEO CeeLo. Shout out to Durban. First, we're holding it down right now. Shout out to Uzawe. Shout out to your boy. Shout out to your boy Lungelo Manzi. I think it's got something coming up.
Lungelo Manzi.
What's that thing it's got coming up? It's fuck, bruh. Same question.
Has been posting.
He partnered up with Roots Up. They're gonna do something like a live performance thing, streaming. It's 20 rand the ticket. You get the email with the link. Robin Toflo's got something going on with Jägermeister every Thursday. Zawi's got the KZN Lockdown Cypher Season 4 now.
Sure.
Shout out to Young Cannibal. I think it's got something going on as well. Yeah, in fact, shout out to all the motherfuckers holding and shout out to Uwable. Hey, boy, Uwable, like teacher. He's always got videos of some teaching, but that's gangster. Shout out to that nigga.
That's what that abuses on. This whole weekend he's been playing.
So that's a hustling motherfucker, bro.
This whole weekend he's been playing.
Hey, boy, Uwable, like that. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Loki. Shout out to your girl Yashna. Shout out to Combs. Shout out to AK holding it down. Shout out to Onelo Wotif. So Durban is lit right now like a motherfucker, bro.
Yeah, again you.
Damn, now we need the Grammy. Now we need the Grammy, man. So hold on, man. But yes, your poem, you're holding it down, reporting live again March.
Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.
Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbol. No munga humbles a boy, you to get lemons when I hope is a kumbula. Boye kaya lezo nyembe zinzosula maputsa ngwenzile zenzenze kuqule. Yeah, when you zizwa zonke phelele ixuka malamba bagiyeke yazokuthi nivele ngeke bakumele. I did you wrong love ngicela ngixolele. Yeah, humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, no munga humbles a boy. Humbles a boy, uzobuya noma ungahamba uzobuya udukele emazweni ahupha uzukhumbula noma ungahamba uzobuya noma ungahamba uzobuya hey noma ungahamba uzobuya udukele emazweni ahupha uzukhumbula hey noma ungahamba uzobuya noma ungahamba uzobuya hey noma ungahamba uzobuya udukele emazweni ahupha uzukhumbula I had something good and I messed it up now my whole world is just fucked up now I'm sitting lonely and I'm reminiscing when I had a man shit I was booed up now I'm screwed up all because of cloud must the people who won't even reach out now a good thing is gone and I'm singing the song it's last time that's me booyaka yeah humble boy no munga humble boy humble boy no munga humble boy humble boy no munga humble boy no munga humble boy utugele mazona hukuzo kumboy no munga humble boy no munga humble boy hey no munga humble boy utugele mazona hukuzo kumbula hey no munga humble boy no munga humble boy hey no munga humble boy utugele mazona hukuzo kumbula hey I cannot express my boundless gratitude for having you just loving you ain't easy I admit that but I love you boo you're so exposed to plenty I keep tossing and turn when you're traveling city to city angazintanda umuntu ngendlela ngithanda ngayo wena babe usithando senhliziyo sihlala silamathe nolimi noma kunzima kuyihamba le ndlela you living your dream vele usuphumelele I'll stay by you to the end of the road just through it all zobegezela yeah noma ungahamba uzobuya noma ungahamba uzobuya hey noma ungahamba uzobuya udukele emazweni ahupha uzukhumbula hey noma ungahamba uzobuya noma ungahamba uzobuya hey noma ungahamba uzobuya udukele emazweni ahupha uzukhumbula hey After the beep, record your message. Hi, it's me again. I won't stop calling until you return my calls. Ngiyacela sithando sami, uyakhaya.